If you feel like your money disappears the moment you get it, or you're tired of stressing every single month, these 3 simple money discipline rules completely changed my life, and they'll change yours too. Don't worry, I'm not giving you boring financial lectures or unrealistic advice. These are real rules I started using when I was broke, stressed, and living paycheck to paycheck. Let's jump straight into rule number 1, because this one alone saved me more than $6,000 a year. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Money Mentor, and my goal is to help you build a smarter, stress-free financial life one step at a time. If you want more videos about saving, investing, and building real financial confidence, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Rule 1, automate everything. Set it, forget it, and let your money grow without willpower. When I first started managing money, my biggest problem wasn't the bills, it was me. I kept forgetting due dates, I paid late fees, and I spent money before I realized it was supposed to go somewhere else. That's when I learned the power of automation. Here's what I automated. 1. Bills, rent, utilities, phone bill. Everything went on automatic payment. No late fees. No stress. No surprises. 2. Savings. I set up an automatic transfer every time my paycheck hit. Even if it was just $25, it happened without me touching it. 3. Investments. A small amount into index funds every month. Slow, steady, and consistent. Why this changed my life? Because automation removes emotion. You stop thinking about saving, and you start doing it. Engagement line. Comment below and tell me, which bill always stresses you out the most? I bet everyone has the same answer. Rule 2, the 48-hour rule. Delay the impulse. Protect your wallet. This rule saved me from wasting money on stuff that I didn't need. Clothes I never wore, gadgets that looked cool for one day, and Amazon purchases that still haunt my bank account. Here's how it works. If you want to buy something that isn't essential, wait 48 hours. No checkout. No, just this once. No emotional swiping. Just 48 hours. What happens? 70% of the time, you don't even want it anymore. 20% of the time, you find something cheaper. 10% of the time, you realize it was actually worth it. Impulse is the enemy. Discipline is your defense. Pro tip, create a wait list in your notes app. Write down anything you think you want. After 48 hours, the answer becomes obvious. What's the last thing you bought that you regret? Drop it in the comments. I promise you're not alone.
Rule number 3, the reverse budget. Pay your future first. Live on what's left. This rule is the reason my finances finally made sense. Most people think budgeting means cutting everything you like, but the reverse budget flips that. Here's how it works. 1. Pay your savings first. Set an amount. $50, $100, $300, whatever you can afford. As soon as your paycheck arrives, that money moves into savings. To pay your investments, next index funds, Roth IRA for 101k. Pick one. Even $25 a week makes a difference. 3. Then live on the rest. That's your food, gas, fun, and everything else. This system forces discipline without making you feel broke, because everything important is taken care of before you spend a dollar. PRO tip: create to checking accounts, bills account, life account. Your money becomes organized instantly. If you want me to create a full video breaking down the reverse budget step by step, comment reverse budget and I'll make it next. Those are the 3 money discipline rules that changed my life forever. Automate everything. Use the 48-hour rule. Pay your future first with the reverse budget. You don't need more money to start. You just need better habits. If you want more videos that help you take control of your money, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. We're building a smarter financial future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Insights.